Today, we're revealing incredible psychological tricks that provide instant insight into what's happening in someone's mind and heart. You'll learn how to decode thoughts, gauge honesty, and master communication skills like a CIA or FBI agent. By mastering the art of reading body language, you gain invaluable mastery. Start by focusing on the eyes. Eyes are known as the windows to the soul, expressing what words cannot. Good eye contact signifies trust and interest, indicating attentive listening. Conversely, avoiding eye contact or fidgeting suggests disinterest. A 2013 study highlighted that changes in pupil size during conversation reveal emotional states. Dilated pupils indicate positivity, while constricted ones imply discomfort. To discern truthfulness, observe the person's response after they speak. Silence can provoke revealing behaviors like fidgeting or evasive eye movements. This technique, employed by CIA and FBI agents, aids in detecting deception. The handshake, a critical nonverbal cue, sets the tone for interaction. A firm handshake reflects confidence and strength, while a weak one may convey nervousness. Consider this scenario. A light handshake suggests discomfort or insecurity. Similarly, a smile and eye contact play crucial roles in forming initial impressions. Understanding nonverbal cues also involves proximity. When someone moves closer during conversation, it signals comfort or a positive attitude towards you. Nodding during a conversation indicates agreement or understanding, while crossed arms imply defensiveness or discomfort. Fidgeting, such as foot tapping or hair twirling, reflects nervousness or restlessness, offering insights into a person's emotional state. Observing a person's walking style can also reveal insights. Confident individuals walk with an upright posture and deliberate steps, whereas those lacking confidence may exhibit insecure or timid movements. Facial expressions are powerful indicators of emotions. Learning to read these expressions reveals feelings and intentions that words may not convey. In conversation, pay attention to voice pitch, tone, and pacing. Slower, deeper speech suggests dominance, while faster, higher-pitched speech indicates submission. Contrary to popular belief, initial impressions are less about shoes and more about clothing and grooming, reflecting personal values and preferences. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.